Hey guys, welcome to another episode on how to use ARI, Auto Repair Software. My name is Cameron, and here's what I have in store for you today.
Here's how to use ARI's Electrical and Wiring Assistant. From the home screen, open Labor Guides. Before you generate anything, select the vehicle you're diagnosing. Complete vehicle details matter because trim, engine, drivetrain, and production options can change the circuit. Next, open Parts and Labor Guides. Choose the repair category and the specific service. In this example, we'll use HVAC and air conditioning compressor removal and replacement for a 2021 Ford Explorer XLT. Select Parts and Labor. ARI builds the labor operations, required parts, estimated pricing, and service notes for that exact job. The Electrical and Wiring button appears on this results page after parts and labor have been generated for a service. Select Electrical and Wiring, read the safety notice, and continue. The first request for a vehicle and service can take a few minutes while ARI builds and verifies the result. After that, the result is cached and reopens much faster. At the top, confirm the vehicle, service, and confidence indicator. The interactive schematic maps the power, protection, control, load, and ground paths for the affected circuit. Select any component to inspect it. Here, the AC compressor clutch connector shows its physical location, pin numbers, wire colors, and circuit functions. You can also use Ask Questions to open a component-aware assistant with this context already loaded. For faster circuit tracing, switch to Wire Trace. Select a starting block, then an ending block. ARI highlights the shortest path, shows the hop count, and keeps the relevant circuit in focus. Scroll down for the ordered diagnostic walkthrough. Each step explains where to test, what result to expect, and why that measurement matters. The References section shows the source context used for the result. ARI turns a complicated wiring page into a focused test plan, right beside the estimate and repair workflow. Use it as a diagnostic aid, and always verify critical pin assignments, wire colors, expected values, safety steps, and high voltage procedures against authoritative manufacturer information.